Adrenal fatigue, a condition caused by prolonged stress, affects millions of people, leading to chronic tiredness and a weakened immune system. But there are ways to combat it and restore your energy levels. Adrenal fatigue occurs when the adrenal glands are overworked and can't produce enough hormones like cortisol. This leads to hormonal imbalances, affecting your energy, sleep, and overall health. Chronic stress causes excessive cortisol production, disrupting blood sugar levels and leading to energy crashes. High cortisol also interferes with sleep, preventing you from getting restful sleep. One way to overcome adrenal fatigue is through a balanced diet. Eat whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Avoid processed foods and sugars, and stay hydrated. Incorporate foods rich in magnesium, vitamin C, and B vitamins. These nutrients are essential for energy production and adrenal health. Manage your stress with mindfulness, meditation, or yoga. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night and establish a regular sleep routine. Practice time management to reduce feelings of being overwhelmed. Set realistic goals and prioritize tasks. Consider supplements like B-complex vitamins, magnesium, and vitamin C. Adaptogens like ashwagandha, rhodiola, and ginseng can help balance cortisol levels. Maintain gut health with probiotics to improve nutrient absorption and support overall well-being. Engage in moderate exercise like walking, swimming, or yoga. Avoid high-intensity workouts that may further stress the adrenals. Incorporate relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises or hobbies that bring you joy. Reduce or eliminate caffeine and sugar, which can stress the adrenal glands. By adopting a holistic approach, including dietary changes, lifestyle management, appropriate supplementation, and regular exercise, you can overcome adrenal fatigue and boost your energy levels. Take steps today for a healthier, more fulfilling life.